Today Microsoft is incorporating GPT-5, OpenAI's best AI system to date, into a wide variety of its products, to bring new reasoning capabilities and improvements to coding and chat across its platforms. GPT-5, which was trained on Azure, includes OpenAI's latest reasoning models, along with a smart, efficient model, to provide users with the right tool for the task at hand, whether in a consumer, enterprise, or developer context. Through Microsoft 365 Copilot and Microsoft Copilot, enterprise and consumer users can automatically get the benefit of powerful new AI reasoning capabilities to take on increasingly complex tasks, and still rely on fast and more creative responses for many everyday use cases, without having to think about which model is best for the job, thanks to a real-time router. Developers across Microsoft platforms will have access to OpenAI's GPT-5 as well. For example, developers using GitHub Copilot and Visual Studio Code can write, test and deploy code using OpenAI's best model yet for coding and agentic tasks, which OpenAI says can complete longer and more complex coding tasks and excels at executing long-running agentic tasks end-to-end. Starting today, developers will also have access to the latest GPT-5 models in Azure AI Foundry, with trusted enterprise-grade security, compliance and privacy protections available in Azure. They will be supported by Microsoft's built-in model router in Azure AI Foundry to ensure the right model is used. The Microsoft AI Red Team, which works to anticipate and reduce potential harms by probing critical AI systems before they are released, tested the GPT-5 reasoning model using its rigorous security protocols. The results show that the reasoning model exhibited one of the strongest AI safety profiles among prior OpenAI models against several modes of attack, including malware generation, fraud/scam automation and other harms. The upgrades will be available starting today, giving Microsoft's consumer, developer and enterprise users immediate access to the increased intelligence and advanced reasoning of the GPT-5 models. Here's a more detailed look at how the models will roll out across Microsoft products and platforms. Microsoft 365 Copilot. With GPT-5, Microsoft 365 Copilot is better at reasoning through complex questions, staying on track in longer conversations and understanding the user's context. Copilot also will now be able to tackle more complicated problems. Customers with Microsoft 365 Copilot licenses can also reason over emails, documents and files, allowing enterprise users to apply OpenAI's most advanced models to stay on top of work responsibilities and be more productive. GPT-5 will also be available in Microsoft Copilot Studio, a platform for building custom agents. Users can select GPT-5 in custom prompts to enable agents to take on more complex business processes. Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is the AI companion for everyday tasks, with the ability to assist users in getting answers to tough questions, sharpening their writing or turning ideas into images. Today, people can experience the power of GPT-5 in Copilot for free. The new Smart Mode utilizes the latest GPT-5 model to help anyone discover the best possible solutions to their queries. People can try GPT-5 with Microsoft Copilot for free by going to copilot.microsoft.com, or using the Copilot app on Windows, Mac, Android and iOS devices. GitHub Copilot and Visual Studio Code. GitHub is bringing GPT-5 to all paid GitHub Copilot plans. Developers will be able to write, test and deploy code across GitHub Copilot chat on GitHub. Visual Studio Code and GitHub Mobile through the Model Picker. With the Azure AI Foundry extension, developers in VS Code can also use GPT-5 to develop agents, without leaving the code editor. Azure AI Foundry. Azure AI Foundry is making all GPT-5 models available for developers. Starting today, developers can use the model router in Azure AI Foundry to maximize the capabilities of the GPT-5 system of models and other models in Azure AI Foundry. With an AI-powered orchestration layer, the model router evaluates each prompt and decides the optimal model based on the complexity, performance needs and cost efficiency of each task.